Hello community, welcome back to another exciting episode. In today's video, we're going to dive into the world of Kotlin and Jetpack Compose to create a simple calculator app. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our Android development tutorials. Without further ado, let's jump right into the code. We start with the @composable annotation indicating that this is a compose function. In Compose, the UI is built using a declarative syntax, making it easy to understand and modify. We use the remember and mutable stdoff to create variables for number1, number2, and result. These variables are used to store the input values and the result of calculations, and Compose will automatically recompose the UI when these values change. Here we gonna make a box view with 3 nested text fields and 5 buttons. Next, we have 3 text field components. The first 2 are for inputting the numbers, and the third one displays the result. The onValueChange parameter updates the respective variables as the user types. Now, let's take a look at the row of buttons. We have buttons for addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Each button has an on-click listener that performs the corresponding arithmetic operation and updates the result. There's also a clear button that resets all the input fields, providing a quick way to start a new calculation. Let's run the app and see it in action. As we input numbers and press the operation buttons, the result is dynamically updated. The clear button resets everything for a fresh start. And there you have it, a simple calculator app using Kotlin and Jetpack Compose. Feel free to experiment and enhance this app further. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting content.